Today we're going to be making a screwdriver. Here's what you're going to need: vodka, orange juice, an orange. Screwdrivers are normally a breakfast drink. They consist of vodka and orange juice. 2 ingredients, a very simple drink that will impress your friends. So I got my ice, got my cup, and that's where we're going to start. You're going to put the ice in the cup and fill it to the top. Once you've filled your cup with ice, you're going to add your vodka. Everybody has a different type of vodka, but we like Absolute, so that's what we're going to be using today. If you want it strong, use 2 ounces. If you're a lightweight, use a little bit less. Then just go ahead and pour it into your glass. Boom. Then, orange juice, any type of orange juice. Pulp free, it don't matter, whatever you like. You can even have a combo juice with peach, mango, pineapple. All you're going to do is just pouring the orange juice on top. And that is a screwdriver. We're going to make it a little prettier, and we're going to add grenadine. It's just a little cherry juice. You just throw it in there, and it should sink to the bottom. Then you're going to add your lime, if you have a cut lime. And we're going to cut an orange, garnish with an orange. Fresh fruit always enhances the flavor of your drink. There are different types of ways to cut oranges, but we're just going to cut a little sliver. Now you've got your screwdriver with grenadine. We'll see you on the next video. Cheers! Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and ring the bell. Get notifications every time we post a video. Stay tuned for more delicious drinks on Cooking with Friends. Oh yeah. That's the one.